example 2, you have one base raised to an exponent, but then it's another exponent outside the parentheses. So that means that that number inside the parentheses gets raised again to an exponent. And when that happens, you take the base and your exponents and you multiply them. So 2 times 3 is 6, so you get 5 to the 6. And again, when you're given a number raised to an exponent, I want you to go ahead and simplify that for me. And you get 5 raised to the 6, which is 15,625. All right, same with the variables. One base, exponent raised to an exponent. You multiply the exponents. So it gives you x to the 6. You can't simplify it anymore, and you're finished. Now, if you notice, see, you have parentheses and brackets. Treat the brackets like a second set of parentheses. Negative 2 to the third. Okay, that's a number, negative 2 to the third. And then it's raised to the fourth. So it's the same concept. Negative 2 to the third raised to the fourth means you multiply the exponents. And so you get negative 2 in parentheses to the 12th. Now remember, when it's an even exponent, your answer is going to be positive. So negative 2 to the 12th is a positive 4,096. The next one. Because there's a subtraction sign and not a multiplication sign, we are not going to simplify it yet. Now later on you can do factor or FOIL method and simplify it a little bit more. But we're not at this moment in time. You want to take what's inside the parentheses, and because it is not being multiplied, it's being added or subtracted, you leave it alone. All right, so I have a minus 2. Exponent raised to an exponent means I multiply those. And I'm going to get a minus 2, still in parentheses, to the 6th power. You cannot distribute that 6 to the a and to the negative 2 because it's not being multiplied. Okay? Whenever it's added or subtracted, you can't just distribute the 6 over it. It will not work.